Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you some skincare products for 30 and over to use for anti-aging, declogging pores, and dark spots. I have a nighttime routine and a daytime routine, so I have certain products that follow those routines. I'm wearing no makeup today. This is my skin. It is not perfect, but I'm going to insert a photo of what it used to look like, and I'm telling you, I've come a long way. 10 months ago, I had a baby and my skin went haywire. Like, I started getting pimples. I had a cystic acne, dark spots, enlarged pores. And my daytime routine is short and sweet because I have just a little bit of time to do it because I have to get my son off to school and I have to go to work. So I got a little skincare kit, and it's by OLEHENRIKSEN. It's the balance one. It's the green one. It comes with a cleanser, toner, and moisturizer because I have combo oily skin. So this is all that I do. I cleanse my face with this oil control cleanser, and I wash my face for 60 seconds just by hand. And then I rinse that thoroughly. Then I go over with the balancing oil control. I'll use this little Shiseido cotton square with that. And when I'm done, I go in with the mattifying or balancing moisturizer. This is new to me. I've been using it for a couple of weeks and I really like it. I just kept the box to show you guys what to get when you go to Sephora, because that's where I purchased it. So that's my daytime routine. Nighttime is a whole different story. I have different things for different days at night. But the things that never change are my eye cream, which is the OLEHENRIKSEN Banana Bright Eye Cream. My CLINQUE Dramatically Different moisturizer. This is not the gel, it's the thicker one. I use, and I'm almost out of, the SKINCEUTICALS LHA cleansing gel. So those are the constants. And then if I'm going to do a mask or exfoliate, for exfoliation I use the transforming walnut scrub. I love this. This is also by OLEHENRIKSEN. He needs to cut me a check, honey, because I use all of his products and love them. I wish I could get on some kind of list to receive something, but I'm a little old person, so I'm not getting it. I pay for this. I love this. I use this about twice a week. Then I do, depending on my skin and how congested it is, I'll do a mask about 2 times a week. And I use the ORGINS Clear Improvement Charcoal Mask. I love this. I really, really like this. If the 2 treatments that I do at night, I'll call them treatments because it has a lot of acid in it. So a serum and a toner that I use. The toner that I use is the Glow to HO Dark Spot Toner. That's also from OLEHENRIKSEN. I think it's helping me a lot with my dark marks. I still have it, but I think they're lightening up, and I really, really, really love this stuff. Then I have the Good Genes for my serum by Sunday Riley. I like it. I think I talked about this in my what I got for Christmas video, but I really, really like this, and I think it has transformed my skin also. And when I'm done with all that, I like to mist my skin with the BADESCU facial spray. And I have the aloe, cucumber, and green tea. I love this stuff. I just like the way it smells. It makes me feel like I just went to a spa. I really, really, really like this. And on the nights that I have makeup on, I do a double cleanse. BOSCIA makeup-breakup. It's like an oil cleansing. It's like, yeah, a cool cleansing oil. That's what I use first. And then I go, and after I remove this with a makeup wipe. And I use the NEUTROGENA makeup wipes. I put this on, melt in my skin, wipe it off with a makeup wipe, and then I cleanse with my SKINCEUTICALS LHA gel. So those are the products that I use. That's my skincare routine. I use this day and night. These items are subject to change. I am running out of this cleanser, so I might do the Murad cleanser. I forget what it's like, the AHA and BHA one. I forget exactly what it's called, but my best friend Kelly, she uses it and she raves about it. So I think I'm gonna purchase that when I'm done with this. But that's what I use for now. Things are subject to change, but I think these products have really been helping me, and they are expensive. I did not buy them all at once. I kind of just picked some up here and there. Like if I'm running out of something, I'll replace it with something else. They're very expensive. I want to try some drugstore skincare items, so if anybody has any recommendations, let me know. I have really sensitive skin, so these products work for me. They don't break me out, and they work well with my skin. But if you have any recommendations, please let me know. Thank you for joining me. Bye.